wote na ustawi. Amkeni ndugu zetu, tufanye sote bidii, tutoe kwa Mungu nchi yetu ya Kenya tunayoipenda, tuwe tayari kuilinda. Taifa letu ndiyo wajibu wetu. Kenya istahili heshima, tuungane mikono pamoja kazini, kila siku tuwe na shukrani. Sitasimama maovu ya kitawala, sitasimama maovu ya kitawala.
Politician alliance.
I mean, how is this happening? Young men are being killed for standing up for what is right.
They are stolen our resources.
Saying that we are tired of corruption in Kenya.
We don't tolerate stupidity.
We are tired of
stupidity.
We are very angry and we are very bitter. And we are not fighting because we believe we can achieve change.
We are tired. We are tired. Let them kill a revolutionary as individual, but they will never kill revolution ideas.
The whole system is rotten. Totally rotten.
Imagine doctor, such a noble profession, a doctor,
And me,
is demonstrating.
Will not tolerate.
Alafu anakuja bila mshahara, bila job. Daktari, unajua daktari?
Daktari holders are very important.
Alafu nasikia mbunge.
These are the clowns. These are the idiots in parliament. Clowning around. Wanalipa mpaka sitting allowance. Unalipa kwenda kazi yako.
Nauliza Sudi ya Juku.
Naandika jina lake.
Na wanaiba. They are stealing yani kiholera.
Arrogant.
You take money, you don't work for it. You are stealing our sweat.
Yeah.
Our sweat.
You're taxing
The sweat of the majority. You should be ashamed. Very much ashamed.
Politician alliance. They have stolen our future.
And it's so sad that we have normalized corruption in this country. It is so sad that we have normalized corruption in this country. Corruption has led the majority of the people in this country to beggars. People do not have jobs. They cannot afford a decent living. I mean, people are just there in the streets, hopeless, and they have no direction because the country is not working. The systems are not working. The only thing that is happening is looting by our leaders. They have no other plan for this country. Politicians have no other plan for this country. Let nobody lie to you. Their only plan is to loot and loot and loot. This is the same system that was being used by the white man to humiliate Africans in their own land. It is the reason why we are being killed for saying the truth. It is the reason why police have got no remorse killing innocent demonstrators or protesters just because they have stood up for what is right. Just because they are saying we are tired of being oppressed or being exploited in our own country. The leaders of this country must be ashamed, very ashamed of themselves. We must fight a way, and the way is coming. It's very near, because we will not relent until every person understands that every life is sacred. Every life is important. All human beings are created equal. We are created equal. Then why should we slaves to other people? Why should we accept to live as slaves in our own land? We are the natives of this country. I want people to understand that. And the natives are restless. We have been lied to for so long. For 60 years, we have been living one big lie. Politicians are liars and thieves. And they have stolen our freedom. They have stolen our land. They have stolen our mind. They have stolen our future. And now the people are saying that they need to die for our future. And so the only thing that remains is for them to resign honorably and give us our country back. We want our country back. We want a free Africa.
Your message to Ruto. Your message to Ruto.
My message to the president of this country is that I wonder why you are still in power. You have got blood on your hands, the blood of young people, 12 years, 15 years, 20 years, 22, 29, 30 and below. These are the people who are killed by a Kenya police who are trigger happy, and you order them to kill them just because they say that we are tired of corruption, that we are tired of being slaves to the political class, that we are tired of the lies of the political class.
Niaje? Niaje? Uko poa, unaitwa nani?
Mimi naitwa Njau. Na mimi naweza sema hivi, tafadhali. Mr. Ruto, sikiliza vijana. You better give us our ears. Hey, oka. We are gonna beat you. Na tunasema hivi, tafadhali patia madaktari na wana inji wa Kenya haki yao. Kama sio hivyo, we are gonna pull you down. Na ndio tunasema.
Na sasa
Zakayo lazima ashuke.
Na sasa wewe ni daktari na uko kwa hii demonstration na madaktari?
Hapana, mimi nasaidia my fellow Kenyan. Sababu asipowekelea kitu kwa meza kutakuwa na shida. Familia itakufa, mgonjwa naye atakufa. Tafadhali Ruto, sikiliza matakwa ya vijana. Our right, our choice. Tafadhali kama unataka zaidi, tafadhali shuka wewe mwenyewe uongee na sisi, na kama huwezi ukwenda kabisa.
Unafanya kazi gani?
Ati?
Wewe unafanya kazi gani?
Mimi kazi ni ya kuzunguka, kazi ni ya mkoko. Tafadhali hii kazi yenyewe ulisema kazi ni kwa vijana, kuandamana ndio kazi. Swali ni hiyo, kuandamana ni kazi. Ulisema mama mboga utamsaidia, si ndio? Hustle la bottom up, si ndio? Kumbe ni kwa bottom up, bottom, si ndio? Tutaki ujinga yenyewe, acha kutubeba kama watoto wenyewe. Tafadhali rais, kama wenyewe unataka amani na sisi, tafadhali give us our right. Na sio hivyo utajua ujui. Tafadhali poa poa.
Wazi. Current situation.
We don't want to lose momentum. We did not come here to play. Tukimaliza hii tunaingia la. Tukimaliza Tukimaliza lunch tunaingia huko ni lodging, huko tunaingia lodging. Tunalala wapi? 5-star restaurant iko hapa ndani. Amoxicillin. Ati kuna ofisi inaitwa Office of the Daughter of the First. Mnakubali ama mnakataa? Amoxicillin. Kuna ofisi iko na mapasta 350. Tasema tawe. Zakayo. Suzi. Daktari Ria. Amoxicillin. Ati kuna mwanabiashara ana biashara anavaa saa 1,000,000. Alifanya pharmacy online. Na amekwamilia pesa ya madaktari. Paracetamol. Kuna minister anashikwa kwa pesa ya Wakenya kwa lodging Dubai. Amoxicillin, Daktari Panadol, Paracetamol. Daktari Power, Daktari Ria, Steam, Susan, Suzy, Zakayo, Steam,
Ruto.